What's up, YouTube? Back again with another one. Yes, I'm back. And just had this thing a while, but was, you know how they say a motorcycle rider needs a vest. But this ain't a joke. This is a real other biker vest. Literally, actual motorcycle riders gave it to me. They're gonna teach me how to when I get a Harley Davidson, they're gonna teach me how to ride it. So yeah, it's my leather motorcycle vest. It's real. I mean, these are expensive stuff, trust me. Yeah, so leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.